Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to log into FundedNext on MT5. So step number 1 is to get your FundedNext login details. So after passing the FundedNext challenge or getting an account, you will receive an email with server name, account number, and password. So if you haven't received your details, you just have to check your FundedNext dashboard or contact their support. For step number 2 is to open MT5. So you just have to launch the MTrader 5 app on your PC, Mac, or mobile device. For step number 3 is to log into your account. So just click on File on your PC and then tap on Login to Trade Account. So you just have to enter your account number provided by the FundedNext and your password as well. You have to select the correct server, like for example, FundedNext Live or FundedNext Demo. And after that, just click OK. And once you have clicked on the OK, you can now start trading. So once logged in, you can place trades, check balances, and manage your account. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!